Hey friends, let's get straight into it. For this song we've got the capo on the 1st fret, and for our intro we're going to start on E, strum that down, then play the open B string hammer onto the 2nd fret, E string open 2 times, 2nd fret B, open E, then jump up to the 7th fret on the E, and then we're just playing 7D, 6G, 5 on the B, 4 on the E, and do a down, up, down. Then we're jumping back to the A string, 2, hammer onto 4, 2 on the D. So slowly. Do the first part again with the E and our little fill. Up to the 7. This time we just do the chord for a down, up, and then jump back to the A, 2, hammer onto 4, 2 on the D, and then back to the A, 4, 2. And that's our intro there. Starting with the E, we're going to do 2 downs, then we're going to an E, add 9, so we're going to use our little finger on the 2nd fret on the E string, do an up, and then go back to E, up, down, up. So we have down, down, up, down, up. To the F sharp minor for 1 bar, same strumming pattern, down, down, up, down, up. Jump to our B7, same again, 1 bar, down, down, up, down, up. This time we go to the E, 2 downs. We're going to go to an E sus2, so use your little finger on the 4th fret on the D string, just do an up, back to the E, up, down, up. So down, down, up, down, up. We'll repeat that all again. E to the E, add 9, F sharp minor, B7 again, our E to our E sus2, down, down, up. This time do an up on the E, and then jump to the 2nd fret on the D, play that once, and then 1st fret, and that gets us ready to come into the pre-chorus there. And that's our verse. So for our pre-chorus, we're playing a C sharp minor. We're going to do down, down, up, then go to a C sharp minor 7, down, up. Then we're jumping to an F sharp 7 sus4, do a down, down, to an F sharp 7, up, down, up. So down, down, up, down, up. Then we're going to a B7 sus4, we're going to do the same. Down, down, back to the B7, up, down, up. And that's our pre-chorus there. This time we're just starting on an A minor 7, we're going to do a down, down, go to an A minor 11. So we're just taking our 3rd finger off and our up, down, up. So down, down, up, down, up. To a G major 7, strumming pattern will be the same. Down, down, to an E minor, up, down, up. And we do that 3 times, so slowly, down, down, up, down, up, to our G major 7, down, down, to our E minor, up, down, up. Do that 3 times, and the 4th time after the E minor we're jumping to a C major 7, and we're doing that for a bar. So down, down, up, down, up, to a B7 sus4 for a bar, down, down, up, down, up. Then just back to the B7, do 1 strum and hold for 4 there. 2, 3, 4. And that's our chorus there. From there, go back to the verse, which is the same, pre-chorus is the same, chorus is the same, then we do the verse again, which is the instrumental, back to the pre-chorus is the same, then we have the chorus again, play it all the way through, we play up to the B7 sus4, a bar there. Now instead of playing the B7, we just go back to the A minor 7 and repeat there. And that's all the parts. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed Laughter in the Rain guitar lesson by Neil Sedaka. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell. And if you love your 70s glam, pop and rock, jump onto my YouTube channel for hundreds more songs, and I'll see you soon.